Okay, so here on our flower, we've got another issue again. No problem to make this flower. We can cut these pieces without a problem. But I would be very hard pressed to cut this white piece to go around this to make one solid piece of that. It would probably break somewhere around here. So I'm going to need to draw a line to try and keep this a nice looking candle, but to show that, you know, you're going to end up with a break here. But I can probably cut a piece like that. I can probably cut this piece, and I might have to cut again here. So I can probably cut this piece here without a problem. And the more glass you do, the better you get at it. But, you know, there's so many rules that you have to do, you know. You can't change nature. Okay, so here's another problem here. I'm going to have a line, a lead line, because I've got points. Okay, and then I've got, this is a kind of like a halo. And then again on this side, I need to bring it down. Okay. Now obviously you can't cut glass around this, so there's going to be a lead line coming out from there and joining up with one of these guys. Okay. And then most likely this is going to be a line that continues on. Okay, and we just continue drawing our lines. Let's go on with this guy here. This guy's going to be an issue because you can't make this cut here, this right here. The green one we can do, but we can't do this one, so you're probably going to have to bring a line up here. And a lot of times the really good glass makers, which I am not, they actually will make those lines part of the picture, you know, so they just kind of continue, make the picture flow. I'm not that good. So it starts to look like stained glass. And then after a while, we also are going to have to break up some of these really big pieces. Like this is a really big piece, that's okay. But some of these pieces would, you know, over here would get really big. And so see how I kind of broke them up here? You would do the same thing. You can see that this would be, you know, another color glass. This would probably be the orange and red glass, and that would be the all red glass. This would be the orange and red glass, and then that would be the all red glass. So you can see how they would probably break that up. Continue these lines out. Okay. And we do need to, you're going to have to pipe the lead line along this base here too, which is why I have a number 5 in here. This will actually get darker as it dries. It doesn't look black right now, but it will look black as it dries. Of course, I had to pop right at the front, didn't it? Looks like a join, like a solder point. Okay, I just need to finish those little spots there. One more thing to show you now is to just get those little glass beads on. So real quick, we'll pop this in the microwave for a minute. Good enough. Okay, see it's all bubbly. Looks lovely. So we'll wait for it to stop bubbling. It was only a minute in the microwave. In fact, it wasn't even a minute in this microwave. A little less than a minute. So we wait for a second for it to stop bubbling.